Thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Ed and I own a promotional distribution company, EKD Promotions. If you're not familiar with the promotional industry, it's basically providing branding solutions to organizations using screen printing, embroidery, and promotional products. I've been in business for over 15 years and have moved into the print-on-demand industry under the name Shirtcrafts.
Hello, I'm Sally, and thank you for watching this short video today. How can ChatGPT help my print-on-demand business? As a language model, ChatGPT can assist your print-on-demand business in a few different ways. First, product recommendations. ChatGPT can help your business by recommending the best products to sell based on customer trends and preferences. By analyzing customer data, ChatGPT can identify the most popular products in your niche and help you create designs that will resonate with your target audience. Secondly, content creation. ChatGPT can assist with content creation by generating unique product descriptions, social media posts, and blog articles for your business. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can create engaging and informative content that will help drive traffic and sales to your store. Thirdly, customer service. ChatGPT can provide customer service support by answering frequently asked questions and addressing customer concerns in real time. With its ability to understand natural language and respond in a human-like manner, ChatGPT can provide your customers with an excellent support experience that will increase their satisfaction and loyalty to your brand. Finally, marketing and advertising. ChatGPT can assist your business with marketing and advertising by generating targeted ad copy and creating social media posts that will resonate with your audience. By analyzing customer data, ChatGPT can identify the most effective marketing strategies for your business and help you reach your target audience more effectively. Overall, ChatGPT can help your print-on-demand business by providing personalized product recommendations, creating engaging content, providing excellent customer service, and assisting with marketing and advertising efforts. Here is Richard with more.
Thanks, Sally. Here are some additional ways that ChatGPT can help your print-on-demand business. Design creation. ChatGPT can assist with the creation of unique designs for your products by generating new ideas, suggesting color palettes, and providing design templates. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand your design requirements and generate high-quality designs that align with your brand image. Inventory management. ChatGPT can help manage your inventory by analyzing sales trends and forecasting demand. With this information, ChatGPT can suggest which products to stock and when to reorder, ensuring that you always have the right products in stock to meet customer demand. Quality control. ChatGPT can assist with quality control by analyzing customer feedback and identifying areas where product improvements can be made. By analyzing customer reviews and feedback, ChatGPT can provide insights into the features and qualities that customers value most in your products, enabling you to make improvements that will increase customer satisfaction. Order fulfillment. ChatGPT can help streamline the order fulfillment process by automating tasks such as order tracking, shipping notifications, and returns processing. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand customer inquiries and respond in real time, providing customers with updates on their order status and resolving any issues that may arise. Data analysis. ChatGPT can assist with data analysis by generating reports on sales trends, customer behavior, and marketing performance. By analyzing this data, ChatGPT can provide insights into areas where your business can improve and suggest strategies for growth and expansion. Overall, ChatGPT can help your print-on-demand business in many different ways, from design creation and inventory management to quality control and order fulfillment. With its natural language processing capabilities and ability to understand customer needs, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and assistance that will help your business succeed. Back to you, Sally.
Thanks, Richard. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a great option for print-on-demand businesses, because it can provide personalized assistance across many different areas of your business. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand your needs and provide tailored solutions that align with your brand image and business goals. Whether you need help with product recommendations, content creation, customer service, marketing, inventory management, quality control, order fulfillment, or data analysis, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and assistance to help your business succeed. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, print-on-demand businesses can streamline their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and increase sales and revenue. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment below.